About 20 students injured in police action during ILPS agitation. Irate locals and shopkeepers blocked Didim Road. Manipur observes 18 Maira Paibi Day. Professor Khetri Dumola stresses on bringing a solution on ILPS impasse. And locals destroyed store items of a non-Manipuri at Kaishampat, Kaishamlaikai against the arrest of 5 KSA members. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime News and I'm Premi Thangtam with the top stories and latest news at this hour. A large number of students took out to the street at Ghari and started a rally heading towards Kaishampat demanding implementation of ILP in the state and the release of the students who were arrested during the earlier ILP agitation. Police blocked the rallies near the Kwakaithel crossing and a major tussle broke out between the protesting students and the police. About 20 students and some shopkeepers sustained injury as police fired tear gas shells and mock bombs to control the protesting students. Shopkeepers and locals of Kwakaithel strongly condemned the act of firing tear gas shells and mock bombs in the middle of the market, blocked the Didim Road indefinitely, demanding apology from the police who fired tear gas shells at the marketplace.
Yamna democratic oiba mawongda Manipur da inline party system sana halu haidana yamna sama mawongda khungin jangsin jaba matamda tear gas cell sing kap piba makhoi sing adubu miyam mamangda puthokuna lale haijahan biyu aduga mayamda sak tak biyu suspend tawhan biyu kariguma masida yanadaba oiba taragadi ngasi ahingdagi Didim lambi madan kaktana thingjinjare Imphal Municipal Corporation gi lakadoriba election na se ekoi boycott tawjare Manipur da inline party system se heksana andri bhaudi akan makhongjan makhata na sangsingi ni haina khoi myamna ware asi logzare.
Meanwhile, about 20 students of Extra Age School, Ghari Bhakti Vedanta Institute Mission Higher Secondary School, CC Higher Secondary School were treated at RIMS after sustaining injury in the ILP protests. Some seriously injured students of Janet Academy were rushed to Janims. JCILPS convener Ratan Komdram and co-convener KSH Somorendra visited the injured students. Speaking to media persons, JCILPS convener Ratan Komdram said the police atrocity on the peaceful student protesters is very unfortunate. He also asked the reason behind closure of government schools like CC Higher Secondary School.
Nasi lenga kasina adugumba miyana pami di mana se pibe mota nakoi na khoi democratic na khong sang ba mairo singda ahen khongtang se masi khorok handu kadamni masi kadem tawe school gamamda khoi maram chadana chudi thadumba chudi thabagi maram juko men pidaba singasi masi yaningde masi ne hena ihoji hena kangalakani democratic na iho chingen masada singda tegas kapsal ganda lathisa joganda phubajina ihoji ne kangalakani madugi mota Manipur Party singna Manipur government makhoi mathaudo pangthopuna masi ihosi warson porkani khotakta khoi government thong sile panganda miyana pam porse pangthokdamne.
Condemnation of police attitude who are there to protect and serve the people against students' community pour in from all corners. Students of CC Higher Secondary School question in which part of the world does a sudden declaration of holiday by the police takes place. Speaking to media at a place in Imphal East, students of CC Higher Secondary School condemned the police who use unparliamentary languages towards the students and urged the authority concerned to look into the behavior of the state police. Students also reaffirmed to support the ongoing JCILPS steer for implementation of ILPS in the state.
information amata chu pi dana ngarang chuti thani khoni amata ju haidana order amata ju thoktana gate maya da police kara nga aga no school chuti thare school maya sida leibya aroi haidana ko gi military sashan gi type ta maong amada satra jinga chatharak padudi ko yam chini ya janing de phajan kiba mairoi sing adu ju atuba matam da thadok triba pawudi JCLPS na jangal ko khongjang sing da ko gi CCR secondary gi mairoi sing chu saruk ya gani aduga Manipur assembly na pass to kiba bin ahum atuba matam da ko ek onthok da bani satra khara phajal laga satra khara ekta phuraga namda badi sungangam doi.
Students of the Wangkai High School of Wangkai Kaithela Sangbi formed a human chain in front of the school gate, demanding the immediate release of the students arrested during the ILP agitation. Later, the students of St. Sebastian High School joined the agitation by chanting several slogans to implement ILPS in the state in front of the school gate. Students of EK Higher Secondary School Sangakpam took out a mass rally as a part of the ILPS agitation this afternoon. Students chanted several slogans demanding the implementation of ILPS in Manipur, and all political party team of the state to go to Delhi and convince the centre to convert the 3 bills passed last year into an act. The rally started from Sangakpam and a police team stopped the rally near Chingmairong Kongnang Anikarak for proceeding further. The students then formed a human chain and continued to shout slogans. Manipur today observed the 18th Maira Paibi Day at Kurai Salanthong, Tharo Lampak, organized by Maira Paibi Numit Observation Committee. Speaking on the sideline of the event, Professor Ketri Bimola insisted that it is now time to bring an amicable solution to the issue of inner line permit system between the government and JCILPS. Professor Bimola also added that whether or not the centre gives its assent to the 3 bills passed by the State Assembly, the state government must try to resolve the current impasse with the JCILPS and bring back normalcy in the state. The observance was attended by leaders and representatives of various civil society organizations. Participants at the observance also paid floral tribute at the statue of Maira Paibi installed at the ground, and elderly leaders of Maira Paibi were also felicitated at the event. Those who attended the event vowed to continue and take important role in people's movement of the state.
Manipur da legjariba khoi sata singi nauriba punchi sing moigi study da chauba akaiba ma lakani haibagi mi paiba ma khoi gi puninda poi education na se kahandana ai iho sa thabaya ado government na masida kitang response ma adi kari tawraga Manipur de ho si kitang akhoi namdana adi JCILP ga negotiate tawrabasu kari khongthang logodaba government gi side da problem kai leiba punna ang tong thaminaraga masi khanaba mathau tai na ningi.
Health and Family Welfare Minister D. Korungthang today stated that the chaos prevailing in the state can only be resolved through dialogue. Speaking on the occasion of mega blood donation camp organized by Kuki Students Organization, KSO Imphal Branch and IHBT RIMS at Kuki in Imphal, the minister said Manipur is inhabited by various ethnic communities and the people will have different desire and aspiration, but mutual exchange of thoughts and ideas through talks will help in uniting the people. Several top officials of Manipur Police and members of KSO took part in the blood donation camp.
Nasi noma kangna koi iram da masida iram iba problem to iba pum namakse nasi harag liba students organization youngsters singna masi karambam ongda torga kenna koi se peaceful state, developed state,
Convener of Northeast Democratic Alliance, NEDA, Dr. Himanta Biswas, who was also recently sworn in as Health, Education and Finance Minister of BJP-led Assam government, reached Imphal today to look for an alliance with the non-Congress political parties of Manipur under the umbrella unit of newly floated Northeast Democratic Alliance. Speaking exclusively to Impact News at Imphal International Airport, Himanta Biswas said NEDA was formed with an aim to bring political, social and economical development in the Northeast region by amalgamating political parties that can join hand with BJP. Mention may be made that NEDA was formed on May 24th at a meeting attended by representatives of Assam Gana Parishad, Bodoland People's Front, Sikkim Democratic Front, People's Party of Arunachal and BJP National President Amit Shah at Guwahati.
Bharatiya Janata Party and all its allies spreading across the Northeast has come together and we form Northeast Democratic Alliance. This will be the platform to discuss the common political, economic and social strategy for uplifting the Northeast. Everybody in Assam, AGP, BJP, then Nagaland you have the ruling Chief Minister is a part of this, then in Sikkim Mrs. Samling is part of this. Everybody, all the political party who has alliance with BJP in their respective state will join together. The idea behind is to give a focused attention for the development of Northeast.
Kanglai Park Students Association today stated that arrest of 5 KSA volunteers, including its General Secretary, following a drive against food adulteration yesterday, arise a question of whether the authority is openly supporting those who adulterate food items in the state. Speaking to media at its office at Sega Road, Secretary HRD Angokdong Kuman said instead of investigating the crime of adulterating food items, police turning its gun to the students is very unfortunate. KSA demanded that its arrested volunteer be released without any condition within 24 hours, failing which KSA will resort to intense hesitation.
KSA ngarang Tata Solta Poyan Amadi Poyan Dosala Yolomi Matang the press meet touring Ida KSA General Secretary Yauna Mui Manga City Police na Pagi Bato Siam live activity Punkun Mariki Manunda Haidiba Mui Manga se Tatok Taba Targadi Poyan Tobata Generiba Rajesh Kumar Amadi Dasrat Haidiba Mokogi Imung Manu Amadi Tata Sol Kamarine Nava Kudimak Kimapamda KSA Public Curfew Tokani Atuba Matamda Moi Manga condition Yaudana Tado Kadavani Sarkana Krisunataba Sagi Tum da Poyan Toramiba Muising as Iraq Pida Yabasida KSA Tomi Pabasina Medic Pida Majawi Olakani Kasunataba Irang Tona Singano Atumatam Mokoi Manga condition Yaudan Tadro.
Meanwhile, irate locals damaged store items of a non-Manipuri at Kaishampat Kaisham Laikai Community Hall area. The incident took place this afternoon around 3 after hearing the news of police arresting 5 members of Kanglai Park Students Association, including Secretary S. Bidyananda, who caught a non-Manipuri in connection with adulteration of salt. The locals took out the items kept at the store of Rakesh Kumar Yadav, 28, to the street and tried to burn it. But the police stopped the people. A scuffle broke out between the people and the police. Later, an additional police force rushed to the spot to control the situation.
Non-Manipuri Paraga, Moida. Hui, Haibaki Ekpans Birga, Moizibu, Akoi Kangandana, Moina Pung Anita Kota Putorkan, Hai, Adubo, Kota Putok, the Moina Zel Jogre, Puntrama to the Putomaga, Moid Ekpans Jogre, Non Manipuri, Mabu de Kankale, Tomjida Yali Pose, Imum Amakanga Sabanate, Imum Anina Sabanate, Lady Mimipung Dimang and Nisari Batumze, Adunagadi, Tamna Akoida, Yam is low that Koibu, put poisoning style, Makoi Tamtana, nobody Mitamasam, Koi Mangra neighbor. Tadok Biro, condition Amata Yaudana, Moid Am the Panbayara, condition Amata Yauda Tadok Biro, Habitsine.
A one-day media sensitization workshop on Mission Indradhanush was held at the Family Welfare Services Conference Hall today. The workshop was organized by the Directorate of Family Welfare in relation to the third round of the third phase of the mission. Speaking at the occasion, Family Welfare Services Director Dr. K. Rajo said that bund and other similar elements delays in making the benefits of the mission available to the people. He added that due to the lack of the awareness, there are many places in the outskirts of the state where people are hesitant about their children getting vaccinated. He further appealed to the people to realize the importance of the vaccination to save the children from many diseases and to make the mission successful. It may be worth mentioning that the mission was launched by the Prime Minister in the month of December last year, and it is currently spread over 210 districts across India. The mission is spread over 5 districts of Manipur too. Patriotic Writers Forum Manipur organized a children's literary meet was held at Pore Kongjin High School, Imphal East today. Speaking at the event, Forum Secretary Rakesh Naurim said that the literary meet was organized with an aim to explore the hidden talents in the students of the state and to help them choose a career on discipline of their own. He added there are plans to continue conducting the such meets till 2017 in the state and other states. Students of Pore Kongjin High School performed traditional song and dance and tangta at the function. Lei Shangthim Tonthoi Ngambi, who bagged the Best Actress award at the recent Northeast Film Festival, was also felicitated during the event. Toppers of Heritage Convent in the School Leaving Certificate Examination 2016 conducted by Board of Secondary Education Manipur were today felicitated at a function held at the premises of the school at Uripok Bachaspati Lekai today. 4 students from the school who were in the overall top 25 ranks of the state were given ₹1 lakh each as an encouragement and 10,000 each to the subject toppers and a laptop each to 3 students who scored above 85% in the examination. Heritage Convent managed to bag the 12th, 17th, 20th and 22nd positions out of 25 ranks in this year. A boat race was held on the 8th day of the Lining Thau Nongsaba Harauba Lilong Chajing. A fierce boat was held between the Hiyang Hiren of Lining Thau Nongsaba and Laimarel Nongsabi at Imphal River. People from many parts of the state visited to see the boat race, which has been organizing since 1979. The boat race is held to bring peace in the state. Let's take a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News.
Admissions open. Medical Directorate amasung Department of Education SK Office Assistant amasung Revenue Department ke LDC Revenue Inspector Diladar amadi mandal gi pangthokadaba aiba changyeng gi dama special course June gi tang ahum gi nungthil pung ahum dagi haujaragani. Akupa marol gi dama Proactive Academy Kwakaithil da contact tobiu.
Admission open. 6 months foundation plus C8 course 11 Science and Humanities. Intact capacity 25 students per class. Class commences on Monday 20th June 2016. For details contact Gurukul, Kaisamtong Hodam Direct Manning Airport Road Imphal in between 6 am to 9 am and 3:30 pm to 7:30 pm. Entrance test notification for Millennium Institute of Sciences, Kwakaithil Mayai Koibi Imphal. Last date of form submission for Class 11 Science entrance test is on Sunday, the 29th May 2016 up to 1 pm. Entrance test will be conducted on the same day, that is Sunday, 29th May 2016 at 3:30 pm at Millennium Institute of Sciences.
Welcome back after the break and you're watching Primetime English News. Uripok Assembly Constituency's MLA L. Nandakumar flagged off a mass campaign for upcoming Imphal Municipal Corporation elections. Indian National Congress candidate Laishram Arun Kumar. Arun Kumar is contesting from Ward number 4 of the constituency. Speaking at the event, the MLA said that the party is being in power in Manipur for a long time and that it's standing tall till today. He further added that he strongly believes that a party would be able to succeed up to 90% in the upcoming municipal elections. Capsule Endoscopy Center, which is first of its kind in Manipur and second in Northeast, has been launched today at Janims Hospital, Porompat. Janims Director Professor Laishram Deben launched a tiny camera of 1.5-inch capsule for examining small intestine. Speaking on the occasion, Laishram Deben said that the center was launched in connection with World Digestive Day, which is tomorrow. Consultant gastroenterologist Dr. N. Suraj Kumar said that the capsule endoscopy can reach the intense area of all small intestine where a normal endoscopy cannot. The capsule endoscopy is a product of Capsule Vision Company, America. A single piece costs ₹35,000.
Capsule endoscopy magi khwaidagi main advantage se khoi GI bleed ni haidi khoi tibong thrin dagi e thokpa mathaki saruk sing di khoi upper GI ne yam laina changongami makhagi na colonoscopy na ngami ado maraki se di yengba yadabanina khoi si capsule sina sasin rgan da khoi e se karai digi thoe ana ko chapchana khangmomi jaga do khangadi operation na chagana atopa kulai thadaraga madubu akoina ba e du khoi lep na ba khoina pambi kya to tobi manung da apart basing leiba ko adu mana ba Crohn's disease kan yam lei adu mana ba sida su khoi gi hariba capsule endoscopy se magi yam kanaba me am lei.
Women Action for Development, Northeast Dialogue Forum, Humanitarian Justice Foundation, Youth Forum for Protection of Human Rights, Conflict Widow Forum, United NGOs Mission Manipur, Peoples for Protection of Human Rights and Climate Change and Social Development Foundation Trust have formed an allied body for intervening the rise of child marriage in the state. Addressing the media person today at Manipur Press Club, member of Northeast Dialogue Forum, Yu Chen, said that various forms of crimes are occurring in the state due to the child marriage. Advocate L. Sivananda Sharma, who is also member of Northeast Dialogue, stated that under the Prohibition of Child Marriage Act 2006, if the girl is below 18 and the boy is below 21, they will be treated as a child and their marriage will be declared as null and void. And anyone who is involved in eloping and marrying of minor is punishable under Prohibition of Child Marriage Act 2006.
Angang nupi macha natraga nupa macha chahi sudribana luhongba basi luhongba taragasu madugi oiba luhongbadu aingi miyengda null and void haiba mingau se pi null and void hairagana sungya yaroidaba lokhatpa yaroidba aingi miyengda chanaba yaroidaba luhongba khuhongni haiba sineba minor gi luhongba si thingbagi wafam oina organizational alliance ama semaga akoina legally karmaina akoina intervention piba yai haibagi khongpham chi thangjanjarakpa hogjarakpani.
The director of JENIMS on a press release has appealed to all to ask for computer-generated receipts from the counter of OPD, ATC, lab investigation, clinical investigation while seeking treatment at the hospital. Transport Department Deputy Director on a press release has informed that the Irang Bridge, one of the most significant bridge on the Imphal-Ziri Highway, would be closed to vehicular traffic for 3 hours daily from 7 hours to 10 hours for 6 days with the effect 30 May to the 4th May 2016 due to repair work on the bridge. Inconveniences faced by the peoples of Moreh at the temporary exchange office Moreh while submitting their names is almost over as additional staff has arrived. Recently, locals of Moreh we are going through a nightmare due to lack of staff as large number of people visit to register their name in the wake of recruitment to government departments. The employee of the exchange office was sent as community leaders of Moreh pressed the State Health Minister D.K. Korungthang, who is also a local MLA. The temporary exchange office attached to ADC office of Moreh and a registration of the exchange card was going on. The locals of Moreh appealed to government of Manipur to set up a permanent exchange office at Moreh for the convenience of the people.
Moreh da koi gi exchange ta ming chanangai leitadana koi na wa sanjen tana chattana khotana leramba adubu Manipur sakana ngasi de DCC da eta staff ka amukini dana koi ngasi de ming chanba phangale koi hoje koi thabak tawjaningba thabak ti taw phangjadriba koi gidamakta atuki mate Manipur sakaro haingai leitana thagajari.
Now some sports news. R.K. Daniel, 15, son of R.K. Surjit Singh of Thangmaiban Lorongpure Laikai, has been selected to participate in 11 weeks table tennis summer coaching camp to be held from 6 June till 19 August 2016 at Silicon Valley, California, USA. R.K. Daniel is a lone player from Manipur selected for the coaching camp. On his selection for the coaching, Thangmaiban Youth Organization Thayo has extended financial help to R.K. Daniel and wish him success in his future. R.K. Daniel is a national player and has been playing table tennis since 2012. Rural Area Football Academy A. Thinungai and T.H. Birchandra Singh Football Academy Tawungkhok would come face-to-face at the Under-16 Boys Sunfeast Imphal Cup 2016 finals. In the first semi-final match played at Kumanlampak Artificial Turf Ground today, Rural Area Football Academy A. Thinungai beat Thangmaiban Athletics Union by 1-0, making its way to the finals. Mahesh Chandra scored the only goal of the tournament in the 48th minute of the match. Meanwhile, in the second semi-finals match played today, T.H. Birchandra Singh Football Academy Tawungkhok beat Mangal FC Khabam Lamkhai by 1-0, securing its place in the finals. T.H. Regent scored the only goal of the tournament in the 5th minute of the match. Sunfeast Imphal and Sports Promotion Team Bangalore has jointly organized the locked-out tournament, and the final matches for the Under-13 and Under-16 would be played tomorrow. District level Subroto Cup International Football Championship organized under the aegis of DYASO Thaubal kicked off today at Thaubal. The championship is being in Under-14 boys, Under-17 boys and girls category, and a total of 21 teams are taking part in the championship. Rural Public School defeated LI Standard School by 8-0 in the first match, while CR Academy beat UL Junior High School by 5-0 in the second match. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. About 20 students injured in police action during ILPS agitation. Irate locals and shopkeepers blocked Didim Road. Manipur observes 18 Maira Paibi Day. Professor Khetri Dumola stresses on bringing a solution on ILP's impasse. And locals destroyed store items of a non-Manipuri at Kaishampat, Kaisham Laikai against the arrest of 5 KSA members.